Ever seen a motor fry? How about an arc flash? If you have, you understand just how critical optimum circuit protection practices and products are for the plant floor. Hi, I'm Walt Boyes, editor of Control and ControlGlobal.com with a market intelligence report on circuit protection. We asked our readers to tell us what their procedures and practices were about circuit protection, and we received close to 100 responses. As always, the information we got taught us something, and we'd like to share it with you. This Control Market Intelligence Special Report is sponsored by ABB Low Voltage Products and Systems. ABB Low Voltage Products and Systems offers the largest product range of industrial automation controls and components consisting of circuit protection devices, switchgear and switchboards, terminal blocks, contactors, motor starters, control relays, timers, current and level monitors, and pilot devices. These products are designed for NEMA and IEC applications with UL and CSA approvals and CE declarations. Visit their website at www.abb.us/low-voltage. First, we asked the respondents to tell us what the factors were that determined the kind of circuit protection practices they use. As you can see, nearly everybody said, well, prevent unsafe conditions, followed by prevent equipment damage. Downtime prevention came in third, followed by about 44% who said reduced maintenance or lower system cost were very important factors. A roughly equal number rated those factors as only somewhat important, though. Clearly, our readership believes in personal safety as the most important criterion for circuit protection practices, and so for the record do I. How do they do it? Well, practices are divided into those who use discrete fuses, nearly 48%, and 36% who use discrete circuit breakers. A smaller number, 16%, use power supplies with integrated circuit protection. So we asked about the protection of the actual power that is supplied to instrumentation and control systems. We were surprised to find that nearly half of our respondents said they had no redundancy or backup on power at all. Only about 30% used uninterruptible power supplies or UPSs, and 12% said they had redundant power supplies. Less than 10% said they used backup power generation. Since instrumentation and control systems are critical to plant operation, we found the responses to this question a little surprising, to say the least. So for the less than half of our respondents who use UPS devices, over half, 56% of them, said they use online UPS devices, while 44% said offline systems were being used. Normally, 67% of our respondents specify switching power supplies, while 33% specify linear supplies. Now, as for circuit breakers, almost 63% use thermal-magnetic breakers, while only 24% use electronic or solid-state breakers, and even fewer use thermal or magnetic breakers. Even in the face of heightened personnel danger due to failed circuit breakers and power supplies, 41% of respondents said they had no alarms at all, while 38% said they used local discrete alarms such as a light or a buzzer. Only 20% said they put digital alarm information on a LAN so that responding operators and maintenance personnel can be prepared for danger long before they open that cabinet. Whether you're in a process plant, a discrete manufacturing plant, or you're in an electric utilities generation or distribution facility, or part of the smart grid, security is becoming a critical function even of circuit breakers and power supplies. So we asked our respondents what they were doing to secure their connected devices. Over 47% responded either, we don't know, or we use security by obscurity, while 23% flatly admitted that they had no security at all, and they knew it. Only 29% of our respondents said they secured their circuit protection devices and alarms using edge device firewalls. And there you have it. Our readers' circuit protection practices are lagging somewhat behind the known best practices, especially in the area of security and alarm management. As new standards like ISA 18 and ISA 99 are being released and start being used, we should start to see much less of a lag behind best practices. This special report has been brought to you by ABB Low Voltage Products and Systems, a part of the ABB Group of Companies. ABB, www.abb.com, is a leader in power and automation technologies that enable utility and industry customers to improve their performance while lowering environmental impact. The ABB Group of Companies operates in around 100 countries and employs about 120,000 people. I'm Walt Boyes for the Process Automation Media Network and YouTube's Automation TV. Thanks for watching.